These are the garage doors at the place I'm staying at in Sarasota, Florida. There's the clicker. It is, once it'll focus, it's a Precision door. So there's two garage doors, they're both electric. The left button does the left door, the right button does the right door, and the middle button, as far as I know, does nothing. I don't think it's programmed for anything. So, let's open up the left door, why not? These doors are from 2016, I believe. Very nice and smooth and quiet. It's much better than our garage door, to be honest. It's rather dark in here. I apologize about that. That's the only light source is the garage door. There's more switches over here, though. So many switches. Yeah, I guess somebody on the left switch does something. Your LED lights there, but yeah, here's the garage. Here's the operator, Precision PDS 800. And let's open up the right door. From the inside. And sure, both of the garage doors open now. Now, let's close them up. Let's open this one up one more time. Oh, it does the wrong one. And that's gonna be it.